Has your website traffic suddenly dropped, even though you're doing everything by the book? I've been there. Imagine pouring hours into creating content, optimizing keywords, and building backlinks, only to watch your traffic plummet. Hi, this is Farhad, and in this video, I'm going to share the exact strategy I used to trap my traffic and skyrocket my rankings again. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to boost your SEO performance and keep your traffic on the rise. Let's dive in. So, here's what happened to me. I had a blog that was performing well for months. Then, out of nowhere, my organic traffic started tanking. At first, I thought it was a fluke, but the downward trend continued. After digging deeper, I discovered 3 common reasons why traffic dips happen. 1. Outdated content. Search engines prioritize fresh, relevant information. My content was still ranking for old keywords that no one was searching for anymore. 2. Algorithm changes. Google updates its algorithms constantly. What worked 6 months ago might not work today, and I was stuck in the past. 3. Weak backlinks. Some of the backlinks I'd built were from low-quality sites, and as their authority dropped, so did mine. These mistakes are more common than you'd think. If this sounds familiar, keep watching because the solution is simpler than you think. Now, here's the game changer. Instead of constantly creating new content, I focused on refreshing old content. Think of it like renovating a house. The foundation is already there. You just need to modernize it. Here's what I did. I identified old blog posts that were once performing well but had dropped in rankings. I updated those posts with new keywords, better headlines, and fresh internal links to other pages on my site. I also improved the metadata to reflect current search trends and made sure the content addressed the latest user intent. This simple strategy helped my old posts climb back up the rankings, bringing a significant chunk of my lost traffic back. The best part? It saved me hours compared to creating brand new content. Here's how you can put this strategy into action today. 1. Conduct a content audit. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to find underperforming pages. Look for posts that were once ranking but have dropped. 2. Discover rising keywords. Tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you find new keyword opportunities. Focus on long-tail keywords with low competition but high intent. 3. Update internal links. Add fresh internal links from newer, higher-performing content to your older pages. This signals to search engines that the old content is still valuable. 4. Refresh metadata and headlines. Rewrite meta descriptions to be more enticing and keyword-rich. Update your headlines to reflect the current trends or problems your audience is searching for. 5. Enhance the content itself. Add new sections, update statistics, or include multimedia like images, infographics, or videos. Anything that improves the user experience will boost rankings. These steps are easy to follow and can deliver incredible results. Remember, the goal isn't just to rank, but to stay ranked. To wrap up, let's recap. Traffic dips are often caused by outdated content, algorithm changes, or weak backlinks. The hidden SEO loophole is to refresh old content instead of endlessly creating new material. By conducting a content audit, updating keywords, and improving metadata, you can reinvigorate your traffic and rankings. Remember, small tweaks can lead to big results. If you found this strategy helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more actionable SEO tips. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which strategy you'll try first. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.